Today's event is about point-of-care diagnostics. It's a very dynamic field. It's really moving diagnostic tests towards the patient, or at least towards the family doctor. And it's a very dynamic field. There are new possibilities nowadays, technological possibilities, and we wanted to capture this in a conference with different stakeholders.
Well, the attendance, there are many people. What I have learned, most of them are physicians. There are also some people from the labs, but it's a minority. I think most of the people are physicians, and of course also here from the school here, also a lot of students. But that's interesting. That's also the future. And as I've learned, a lot of students are working on projects with POC systems. So therefore, it's a very interesting discussions that we have here.
We're interested in trying to develop diagnostics for people who need diagnostics at affordable cost. And what we have found is that there's lots of really good science and technology around, some of it at this meeting. The biology is more complicated than much of the physical science, but the real problem is paying for the development. So it's ultimately an area now that's limited by cost and by payment rather than by technology. But what the students need to realize is that it's a systems problem. So that ideally they should know about the technology to make the devices, they should know about the range of biological options, and they should understand the basics of the economic world in which they have to operate. Because if they have a successful technology and they can't move it forward, it hasn't come to the real impact that you would hope it would.
And that's important to have this exchange, and this symposium is really about having this exchange between researchers, about companies and doctors, and we would like to continue next year because I think we're just at the beginning of a, let's say, evolution. I wouldn't call it revolution, but an evolution in diagnostic testing.